So it's time to make sure that we can start enrolling students and selling this program. So in this video, I'm going to show you a variety of ways to do just that. So let's navigate over to our program over here on the left-hand side. And we've got this program that we want to be able to sell and have students enroll in. Now, I did show you how to manually enroll a student and how to enroll them through the enroll page. So having an enroll page enabled and letting your students go through that process via going to the program section of your website. So I'm going to show you two other ways to sell your program. So the first way is to actually sell it through a product. So if I navigate to our products here on the left-hand side, and I come here to the product that we created previously, our Baking for Beginners product, I can actually enable this to sell the program or to enroll my students in the program when they purchase this as a product. And to do that, I'm going to come here to my advanced settings on the right-hand side, and I'm going to enable my actions. And here in my actions, I want to enroll them in a program. And so I'm going to select the program that I want to enroll my students in when they purchase this product. So you can list this product in a catalog, and your students will then be able to purchase it from the catalog and then be enrolled in that program. So that is one of the ways that we can do this. Another way that you can sell your program and have students enroll is through a funnel. So to do that, we're going to navigate over to our funnels on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to create a new funnel. And I'm going to call this funnel Baking for Beginners. I'm going to leave all that the same, and then I'm going to come here to my template and I'm going to select a two-step bridge. So I would then add my lists, select those options, and then I'm going to select the product that I want to sell in this two-step bridge. And that's going to be our Baking for Beginners product. Now, our Baking for Beginners product is already set up to enroll students in a program when they purchase it. So you can go ahead and hit save. And you'll see here that when we sell that product within our funnel, they're automatically going to be enrolled because the product is set up to do that. But I can come to this product, I can disable those actions, and I can hit save and go back to my funnel. And then when I come here to where my product is sold, I can add another action within my funnel that's going to enroll students in that program. So to do that, I would click on the plus icon, go to my actions, and select Enroll in Program. I would then select which program I want to enroll my students in and hit Save. Now, I know I did run through a lot of the funnel details here, but there is a dedicated training series for the funnels, so go and check that out if you haven't. The whole funnel process will make a lot more sense. But this is another way that you can go ahead and sell your products through funnels. As a side note, if you have your product and it is set up to enroll students in a program, and you add this extra step of enrolling students in the program in the funnel, nothing bad's going to happen. Your students are going to be enrolled in the program once. They're not going to be enrolled in it twice. They're not going to be charged multiple times for the product. They're going to be charged and enrolled once. So that's just an important side note. Now, there are a few other ways to manage the students in your program. So I'm going to navigate back to my programs here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to click back into the program. Now, previously, I did show you that you could navigate to your students section by clicking on the students icons over there. But I also want to come here to my program, and I'm going to navigate to my students section by clicking up here on the top right-hand side. So if I want to enroll a student, I can simply click on the plus icon over here, and I can select the students that I want to enroll and hit save. So that is one of the ways that you can enroll students. You can also expel students by clicking on the three dots over here and expel them. You can manage their profile as well from within this section. So that is how you can go ahead and navigate, manage, and enroll students in your programs and the different ways that you can sell them. So now that your students are enrolled in the program, we actually want to be able to send them some login credentials, some login details. Hey, here's how you set up your account. Here's how you reset your password, so on and so forth. We are going to do that by navigating over to Setup on the top right-hand side. and we're going to come here to our login message. Now our login message is going to automatically send to anyone who enrolls in this program, so there's not much that you need to do, but if you want to customize this a bit more, you'll come here to the login message and completely customize this to suit your needs and to suit the specific program. So I'm going to navigate back to our program over here. And because I have a login message, if I navigate down here to the bottom right-hand side, you'll see that I have my login message settings. And currently it's set to global. This means that we're using a global login message that gets sent out to anyone who enrolls in any program. This is going to be a pretty generic message like, hey, thanks for your purchase. It is customized within the message a little bit, like program name, login details, etc. But here we can choose whether we want a global login message, if we don't want any login message, or if we want our program login message. So if you have a program login message, this is then going to allow you to create a completely custom login message for your program. So again, if I want to customize that, I would go to Setup, Login Message. I want to save my changes, save those changes. Navigate back to my login message. And now when I customize this, I'm going to be customizing the specific login message for this program. I won't be customizing the global login message. So that is how you can send your login details to your students. Again, that message is going to send out automatically when someone enrolls in the program. So you don't have to worry about anything else. All right, so that is everything you need to know about creating programs. And you should now be able to build out an entire program that is fully customized to your needs and specifications. In the last video of this series, I'm going to give you a full breakdown of everything that we've done and show you what it all looks like and how it works from the student's perspective. So we're going to summarize everything that you've learned so far and show you the results of your hard work. I'll see you there.